Okay, everybody, we've all seen the different ways of cleaning headlights, whether it be baking soda and water or toothpaste and even acetone, which actually melts the plastic evidently. I stumbled across something that is very quick, very easiest way I've ever seen, and it does a fantastic job. And as you can see, this is a 2002 Saturn, so it's what, 16 years old now? And we can rub that ain't gonna come off. That's just oxidation or what have you. But now you look at this side. I did this one about a month ago, and it's holding up really well. So I think this process of cleaning, and like I said, it might take 15 seconds. And like I said, it's been a month. It seems to be doing well, so we'll keep keeping an eye on it and see what it's doing. But let's give this a shot. And basically, all it is antifreeze. And it does a good job here. You just wipe it on. Just wipe it down. Flip it over to a clean, dry section. Give it a final wipe. And boom. Crystal clear again. And like I said, this one over here is a month old, and it seems to be doing well. So I'll keep an eye on it. Maybe it'll last a few months, who knows. But even if you had to do it every 2 or 3 months for 15 seconds, I think it does a fine job. Anyway, antifreeze 50/50, just wipe it on and wipe it off. See you later.